Magic to have slide of hand. Let's do a magic.
Okay.
What is called magic?
ঠিক আছে এবাৰ আৰু কাৰবাক
Yes.
লাগিব আপোনাক
নহয় মই ইয়াতে দেখাম
ইয়াতে দেখাব
ম্যাজিক কাক কয় মই ফার্স্ট মই স্লিপটো মই ফোল্ড কৰি দিওঁ কাৰণ বেছি দৰ্শক যি আছে মানে যেতিয়া ম্যাজিশিয়ান ম্যাজিক কৰে মানুহে ভাবে যে স্লিপত লুকাই থাকে সববিলাক হয় না হেতু কোনো কনক্লুশন নাথাকে ইয়াত মোৰ ওচৰত 4 $half coin আছে চেক কৰিব পাৰে yes you can check also solid coin so first time I'm going to break the fundamental rules of the magician here 4 coin ইয়াত 4 coin to আছে আৰু এটাৰ পৰা এটা coin মোৰ এই হাতত আহিব invisibly by ear
okay
and you cannot see right 1 2 3 4 how many coins are here
sorry 4
coin very close
oh
1 2 and 3 once again you have second time chance to catch my these tricks are you ready okay so this time this coin fly in my this hand and you cannot see this is my channel like this coin right okay how many coins are here
3
watch two coin and here's the 2 coin
এটা হেফালে গুছি গল নিজে নিজে
so this is the number 1 number 2 and here's the 2 coin watch very closely the 3 coin and here is the 1 coin now you have chance to catch my this tricks I will take more challenge this time give me your hand ready very slowly how many coins are here say loudly right
1 2 3 4
how many coins in my hand 0 right what I will do I will take 1 coin in my this and close your hand right turn your hand like this now this time I make one cross on the top of your hand right your fist and at the point এই যে cross or যে point to ase eto hol black hole if this coin if I throw it here you think that the coin is here but you are wrong actually the coin is not here the coin goes to your hand yes
ahila niki you can get it eto mo gome na pona
okay select anyone
ইয়াৰ পৰা
yeah and yes বাকি বিলাক মই ৰাখি দিলো what's the slide of hand right this coin take it here after one pass you can see no once again this coin take it my hand after one pass you see that the coin is completely whoop, gone not here not here not here oh. The coin is here this coin if I tap it here it's jump from here if this coin if I tap it here it's jump from here if this coin if I throw it here you think that the coin is here no this time so, oh no okay this is called the close-up tricks not for the stage when I perform the same tricks on the stage I just make it 20 times large